Or the Supremes at Earl's All You Can Eat. Streaming.
This is 2015 Honda Accord customer purchase on Android radio. We're going to change out. First thing you're going to do is a silver trim. Use a panel popper. I got it out. Pry these both side out. And there are 2 screws holding on to this pocket here. Remove them. Pull this out. Then 2 8 mils underneath. Remove that. And pop this out.
2 Phillips in here.
And remove 2 Phillips screws.
Loosen this.
And pop out this driver side. You don't have to remove it. Just pull it out. And you pull this entire radio out like this. So otherwise, these are the 8 mils you are removing from the bottom side up. And the 8 mils.
No, top Phillips,
2
2 Phillips.
Phillips radio. An entire radio comes out. Once you have them out, this Android radio comes with everything T harness. You plug them in. It only fits in one way, so they're all different shapes. Plug it in, and everything goes on to the new radio. So that's the main plug.
Switch sides, it's easier for me to do.
Alright, so I got these plugged it in. Now there are 2 cams, one for the top one for the bottom one. So otherwise it gives you reverse on the factory monitor as well as the new one. The antenna goes in, everything just plugs in one way. I believe that's the CAN bus.
Something like in here, something like there.
So we're going to remove the air vent and the hazard switch and transfer over to new one. It's here and here.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Everything there. These are locking clips of the original one. You're going to take them out and put it on the new one.
I'll show you stuff.
Just pop this out from the original one and put it on the new one. This trim goes on the back of the radio. But since I didn't know which one, so I'm going to put this on first, last I should say. Then come to the screws. We're going to tighten it from the behind.
You can have. It's even.
Weather.
Temperatures will be fairly consistent, averaging about